afternoon, everyone. I am the second reporter. My topic is distinct features of nanoscale. Nanotechnology involves operating at a very small dimension, and it allows scientists to make use of the exceptional optical, chemical, physical, mechanical, and biological qualities of materials of that small scale. The following are distinct features of nanoscale. First, nanoscale, which mass biology occurs. Various activities of the cells take place at the nanoscale. The deoxyribonucleic acid or DNA serves as the genetic material of the cell, and it only about 2 nanometers in diameter. Furthermore, the hemoglobin that transport oxygen to the tissues throughout the body is 5.5 nanometers in diameter. A good number of modern researches focus on advancing procedures, therapies, tools, and treatments that are more accurate and custom made than traditional methods and cause no adverse effects on the body. An example of this is the biobarcode assay, which is a fairly inexpensive approach for identification of specific disease markers in the blood despite their small number in a particular specimen. Second, scale at which quantum effects dominate properties of materials. Particles which dimension of 1 to 100 nanometers have properties that are significantly discrete from particles of bigger dimensions. Quantum effects direct the behavior and properties of particles in the size scale. The properties of materials are highly dependent on their size. Among the essential properties of nanoscale that change as a function of size include chemical reactivity, fluorescence, magnetic permeability, melting point, and electrical conductivity. The one example is the nanoscale gold, which is not only the yellow-colored element we are used to seeing, but it can also appear red or purple. Gold's electrons display restricted motion in the nanoscale. Particu- Practically, nanoscale gold particles selectively build up in tumors where they permit both precise imaging and targeted laser destruction of the tumor while avoiding damage on healthy cells. Third, nanoscale materials have far larger surface areas than similar masses of larger scale materials. As we increase the surface area per mass of a particular material, a greater amount of the material comes in contact with another material and can affect its creativity. If 1 cubic centimeter is filled with micrometer size cubics, a trillion of them, which each with a surface area of 6 square micrometers, the total surface area amounts to 6 square meters, or about the area of the main bathroom in an average house. When that single cubic centimeter of volume is filled with 1 nanometer size cubes, 1021 of them, each with an area of 8 square nanometers, their total surface area comes to 6,000 square meters. This is the example, the figure 13. Next, government funding of nanotechnology in different countries. First, U.S. National Nanotechnology Initiative. The best known and most funded program is the National Nanotechnology Initiative of the United States. The NNI was established in 2001 to coordinate U.S. federal nanotechnology R&D. The NNI budget in 2008 and 2009 were $1.4 billion and $1.5 billion respectively. Second, Euro Commission. In February 2008, the EC officially launched the European Nanoelectronics Initiative Advisory Council, or ENIAC. Third, Japan. Nanotechnology Research Institute under National Institute for Advanced Industrial Science and Technology, AIST. Fourth, Taiwan. Taiwan National Science and Technology Program for Nanoscience and Nanotechnology. Fifth, India. Nanotechnology Research and Educational Foundation. Sixth, China. National Center for Nanoscience and Technology. 7. Israel. Israel National Nanotechnology Initiative. 8. Australia. Australia Office of Nanotechnology. 9. Canada National Institute for Nanotechnology, or NINT. 10. South Korea. Korea National Nanotechnology Initiative. 11. Thailand National Nanotechnology Center, or Nanotech. 12. Malaysia National Malaysia Nanotechnology Initiatives, or NNI. Possible application of nanotechnology in the Philippines. First, ICT and semiconductors. Second, health and medicine. Third, energy. Fourth, food and agriculture. 5. Environment. Nanotech roadmap for the Philippines. First, ICT and semiconductors. Second, health and biomedical. Third, energy. Fourth, environment. Fifth, agriculture and food. 6. Health and environmental risk. 7. Nanometrology. 8. Education and public awareness.